All right, Jamalco retained their Netball Jamaica Major League title after edging upsetters A by 1 goal in a thrilling finale at the Leila Robinson Courts on Saturday night. Here's Daniel McLeod with the details.
Jamalco held their nerve in a closely contested battle to secure a narrow 37-36 victory over upsetters A to successfully retain their title at the Leila Robinson Court on Saturday. Vanessa Walker-Blake led the scoring for Jamalco with an impressive 15 goals from 21 attempts, playing a key role in the champions' success. Her accurate shooting proved crucial in the closing stages as Jamalco fought off a determined challenge from their opponents. Upsetters A pushed the defending champions all the way, with Sabrina Spencer producing an outstanding performance in attack. Spencer netted 22 goals from 30 attempts to keep her team within striking distance throughout the contest. Despite Spencer's efforts, Upsetters A fell just short as Jamalco managed to hold on for the dramatic win.
Honestly, if I would say that we performed well, I would have lied. But one thing I know for Jamalco, we'll always play to the final whistle. We started a bit rocky. We lost our first centre pass, and even though we got it back in our first minute, in a one-ball rally for a good time. But I am grateful for the win tonight, and I'm thankful that my team was able to pull it through.
We planned it from the first quarter to really keep possession of the ball. We did that first, second, and third. Third quarter, we start to lead by 5, and they in the last quarter here, they run it down to 1. And it was, I expect it because it's a very good team. They have good players on the court, and so if you don't keep possession of your ball, then therefore you're going to get in trouble. We miss some crucial points a while ago, and therefore turnover was too much in the last quarter. But nevertheless, I really want to say thanks to Jamalco.
I think we started well, and we showed class in the first and second quarter. However, I think when we went in the second half, we defeated ourselves by not being clinical enough. So I just think that's the breakdown of the 4 quarters for me.
In the third place match, spectators were treated to another nail-biting encounter as Tivoli A defeated Rockers A 60-58. National representative Shanice Beckford scored 35 goals from 42 attempts for Tivoli. Marianne Frederick was also superb, but her 53 goals from 62 attempts was not enough to take Rockers A over the line. Meanwhile, in the Intermediate A final, Speg A beat Titans 37-27. Kaylin Smith's 14 goals from 15 attempts carried Speg A to victory. Janelle Russell top scored for Speg A with 23 goals from 28 attempts.
I really thought they performed well tonight. We had a conversation today, and everybody knows exactly what they needed to do. They know that they need to defend. Once we lose the ball, they just need to get back on defense, goals win matches. So that's something that we spoke about today, that in everything we do, we must deliver our centre pass and we must score our goal.
In the Intermediate B final, Global B took down Untouchable A 31-24. Elsewhere in the minor division, the Spartans beat the MD Strikers A with a similar 31-24 scoreline. And in the mini-finals, Excelsior Eagles B overcame the challenge of Panthers D 19-6. Garfield Jones reporting for TVJ Sports.